Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review.
If you're a fan of mayonnaise and looking for a healthier option, you're in for a treat. We're talking about Sir Kensington's Mayonnaise Classic Mayo, a top-notch paleo mayonnaise that's making waves in the market. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of this product, so let's get started. To kick things off, let's take a look at what makes Sir Kensington's Mayonnaise Classic Mayo stand out from the crowd. This mayonnaise is not your ordinary condiment. It's paleo-friendly, making it a fantastic choice for those following a paleo diet. One of its key ingredients is 100% sunflower oil, a heart-healthy alternative to traditional oils used in mayo. Sir Kensington's is committed to using real, pronounceable ingredients, and this mayo is no exception. It's proudly non-GMO project verified, gluten-free, and free from artificial ingredients, colors, or preservatives. Now, let's get to the most exciting part, the taste test. We'll see how it measures up in flavor and texture.
Try a small spoonful. That's creamy and delicious.
It has a rich and classic mayo taste that's perfect for sandwiches, salads, and more. What sets it apart is the absence of soy oil, making it a healthier option without sacrificing taste. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what others are saying about Sir Kensington's Mayonnaise Classic Mayo. Sunflower oil is known for its heart-healthy properties, making it a better choice for your overall well-being. Being non-GMO project verified and gluten-free ensures that you're making a responsible choice for your diet.
Let's explore some creative ways to use Sir Kensington's Mayonnaise Classic Mayo in your cooking. It's perfect as a base for homemade salad dressings. Use it to make creamy coleslaw or as a sandwich spread. You can even incorporate it into your favorite recipes to add a rich and creamy touch. Now, let's talk about packaging and where you can find this product. Sir Kensington's Mayonnaise Classic Mayo comes in a convenient 12 ounces jar, making it easy to use and store. It's currently available on Amazon, but be sure to check if it's in stock in your area. To wrap things up, let's summarize our thoughts on Sir Kensington's Mayonnaise Classic Mayo. It's a fantastic choice for those following a paleo diet or anyone looking for a healthier mayo option. With its natural ingredients, great taste, and heart-healthy sunflower oil, it's a winner in our book. Just be mindful of the packaging if you live in a colder climate. That's it for today's review of Sir Kensington's Mayonnaise Classic Mayo. If you're interested in trying out this paleo-friendly mayo, you can find the product link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.